I think the materials certainly help bring about a heightened awareness of all the little details that need to be pulled together to keep your water supply sanitary, and safe for everybody. And there are a lot of issues in those materials, small issues that I was not aware of, things that were brought to light that I now pay attention to, and I just think it has really brought the whole matter of safe water kind of together. There was an incident at a ski mountain near one of our restaurants that's on a private water supply where there were 1,200 people that got sick, and it was due to their not having a chlorinator hooked up, and then they had some septic issues where there's some spillage, their system wasn't working right, and it contaminated the water supply, and it made all these people sick, and consequently the owners were driven out of business. They lost a family business that had been in the family for generations. Obviously I don't want to be in that position. I don't want to make anybody sick, and I don't want to be in that position. We've got some administrative responsibilities where we have checklists, make sure the water's checked twice a day. The checklists have to be faxed to me every day. I follow up on them when I'm in the store. We make sure that our test kits are all up to date and we have backup materials with it. We also have a chlorinating system in both the restaurants that are on a private water supply. And with those systems, we make sure that the tanks are segregated, kept away from everything else, covered, so nobody can get them. Only one person has the responsibility of filling them and maintaining the level in them, so that somebody can't think that somebody else did it, and the other person thinks somebody else did it. I guess the most important thing that I could say is to have a hands-on approach and make sure that you really have your finger on the pulse. It's not enough just to rely on somebody to do a water test or say they did a water test and make the assumption that they actually did it. You need to have the right procedures in place to follow up and personally make sure that it's being done and done on a regular basis.